Welcome back to this module on the types of homos. As we discussed in the previous module, the different types of homos, let us look at each type of homo. The first type of homo is Homo habilis. The Homo habilis is the earliest fossil discovered so far, that is roughly around 2.3 million years old. What does the word Homo habilis mean? It means a handy man. Homo habilis used very simple tools in his life. You can also see the picture which is similar to Homo habilis. So, Homo habilis is the earliest fossil that has been discovered around 2.3 million years old. He used to use very simple tools with his hand. You can see another picture of Homo habilis. Now moving to the next type of Homo, that is Homo erectus. The Homo erectus appeared about 2 million years ago. Their species name refers to the fact that they could walk completely upright. As you can see, the skeletal structure is completely straight. As you can see, the skeletal structure which is completely straight. So, like the modern humans, they used to walk upright straight. Only a few dozen skulls of this species are found notably in Africa, Java, and even in some parts of China. So as the name suggests, they can walk upright like the modern human, and they are found around 2 million years ago. The first specimens are found in Java in 1891 and 1892. They were called Java man. They are about 7 lakh years old. According to their skeleton, their age is 7 lakh years. And the Homo erectus was the first species to use fire. So the Homo erectus has the knowledge of fire, and the first to migrate into Europe and Asia from Africa. So Homo erectus, as the name suggests, they can walk upright. Their skulls were found notably in Africa, Java, and China. First specimens were found in Java in 1891 and 92. That's why he is called Java man. And you can see here his age is 7 lakh years old. He is the first species to use fire and also the first to migrate into Europe and Asia from Africa. So these are the other Homo erectus pictures, where how the Homo erectus used to look like. Now moving on to the third category of the homos. Now we are learning about the third category of the homos, that is Homo heidelbergensis. Homo heidelbergensis. The Homo heidelbergensis lived approximately around 5 lakh years ago. It is often referred to as archaic Homo sapiens because it combines the features of Homo erectus with modern features. As we can see here, many researchers consider Homo heidelbergensis as a possible ancestors for both the modern humans and also the Neanderthals. So the third type of Homo are Homo heidelbergensis. Heidelbergensis. They are approximately 5 lakh years ago they lived. They are considered as the archaic Homo sapiens because they have the features of the Homo erectus and also with modern features. So you can see here, some of the researchers also consider Homo heidelbergensis as a possible ancestor for both modern human Homo sapiens and the Neanderthals. You can see the next type, that is Homo neanderthals. Neanderthal man, he lived in Europe. They too went into extinct. Now probably they lived side by side with the Homo sapiens, possibly interbreeded with them. We don't know much about them. Now moving on to the Homo sapiens. The last category of homos, that is the Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means man who thinks. What is the meaning of the Homo sapien? The man who can think. So the man who thinks, an appropriate title for the species that formulated the spoken language and also developed more sophisticated tools. The most ancient find was discovered in Hungary in 1965. So they are able to discover the first man in Hungary in 1965, dating from 4,50,000 years to 4 lakh years ago. So the name Homo sapiens meaning is a man who can think. The historians feel this is the perfect title because this is the species that has formulated the spoken language and developed more sophisticated tools. The most ancient find was discovered in Hungary in 1965, where they're dating it between 4,50,000 years to 4 lakh years. The other remains of the Homo sapiens were been found in England, Germany and France. Now these bones also dated back approximately 2,50,000 years ago, the period between the 3rd and the 4th ice ages. So the other remains were found between 2,50,000 years ago, that is falling between the 3rd and the 4th ice age. Now these are found in the places like England, Germany and France. There are two types of Homo sapiens, the Neanderthals or the Homo neanderthals and the modern human or Homo sapien. There are two types, one is Homo neanderthals and modern human. You can see how the Homo sapiens look like. So in this module, we learned about the different types of homos. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next.